Nagtaasan na lahat. Gusto mong taasan ang presyo pero takot kang mawalan ng customers? Naku, paano nga ba ito? Anak, let me tell you about Charlotte and her mom. Her mom started their small home baking business when Charlotte was still in high school. Back then, she would help after class. Nagte-take ng orders si Charlotte, nagme-mix din ng batter, nagde-deliver ng slice cakes around the neighborhood. After so many years, yung pa rin, no? Baking side by side pa rin sila, decorating, laughing. Sometimes, nagtatalo sila, pero always giving their best. At first, okay naman ang kita nila. Pero habang tumataas ang presyo ng ingredients, napansin ni Charlotte na kahit na pagod na sila, lumiit pa rin ang kinikita nila. Kaya one night, habang nagde-decorate ng cake si Charlotte, sabi niya, "Ma, don't you think it's about time that we raise our prices?" Medyo nag-frown yung kanyang mommy. Sabi niya, "Nako, baka mawalan tayo ng mga suki. Alam mo naman sila, sanay na sa presyo natin." Kaya Charlotte nodded, but she also had hesitations. Alam niya, hindi na nila pwedeng ituloy-tuloy itong working so hard na ito. Pero konti lang ang kinikita. Kaya after convincing her mom, she wrote a short message for their customers. Starting next month, meron po tayong small price increase para we can continue using the same high-quality ingredients that you have always loved. She even added sa note, sabi niya, "We are so grateful for your support and every order keeps our little kitchen going." And guess what? Almost everyone stayed. Some even said, "Charlotte, okay lang. You and your mom deserve it." Ang lesson, anak, growth requires courage. When you honor the true value of your time, your skill, at saka yung puso mo, you give better service, not less. The right customers will stay because they see your worth. So don't shrink just to please everyone, ha? You need to stand tall, charge fair, and serve well. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.